In this tutorial, we are building a journey when a new ticket is created on Freshservice. A ticket will be generated on Freshdesk. So let's create this journey. Select Freshservice as a trigger. Choose New Ticket as a trigger event. Click on the existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now in steps, we have to create a ticket in Freshdesk. Select Freshdesk in Steps. Next, choose Create Ticket as an action. Choose an existing connection and link an account. Enter email address. Add subject and description using Freshservice app data. Next, select priority and status from the option. Then click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now to check the output, let's go to Freshservice, create a new ticket, enter the appropriate fields, and click on Save. Next, go to our journey to check the journey execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Freshdesk. We can see a new ticket has been created on Freshdesk. In this way, we can create an automation journey to generate Freshdesk tickets when a new ticket is created on Freshservice. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in creating automation journeys, visit quickwork.com.